So my college started on 21st September 2020. It was in between entrances and I wasn't much hopeful of how it will go in online mode. But I've had a great time with my friends and yeah, made great friends as well. And now the college is opening and we have to go to college for offline semester. And yeah, we are happy as well as nervous and excited as well. So today I'm gonna show my college stuff which I'll be taking to college and hope you like it. There, so this is basically all my college stuff. First, let's just check out the snacks. So I have this bottle, and I have some cookies and some biscuits are also there, and also I just got these cup noodles in case we need it. And yeah, that's it. Some more snacks, and that's for all the snacks. And if I talk about this, damn man. So this is basically a coat hanger, some toilet paper, and these are the clothes picks in case I have to wash them by myself. And this is a soap. This is a shampoo. This is a shampoo. This is a mouthwash, a brush. And yeah, I have some deodorants, two deodorants actually, and one soap for clothes. And yeah, we were told we have to take one big sanitizer bottle and one small. So this is a big bottle and this is the small one. Basically both are similar, so you can just refill it even if it finishes. And yeah, some medicines, which is basically paracetamol, Disprin, and Samino. Yeah, that was it. And yeah, one hand wash as well. Okay, so now basically I'm talking about my clothes. These are some, undergarments. And yeah, these are some handkerchiefs. And all the socks. And basically all the undergarment stuff this is. And yeah, that's just wraps much of it. Another cloth hanger, and yeah, tissue paper, and yeah, this is a mug, a lock which is very much necessary for both hostel and suitcase as well. And yeah, I also have a dustbin which is also very necessary. And this is the stuff related to bathroom. This is for keeping the toothpaste and toothbrushes. This is for keeping the soap, bathing soap and cloth washing soap. And yeah, this is a brush for just washing the clothes. And yeah, some more basic stuffs which includes a tongue cleaner, a comb, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so yeah, that was it for all the essentials. I also have my guitar with me. Let me just show you. There. Okay, so yeah, this is my electric guitar. And because it is an electric guitar, I also need a speaker. So here is the speaker. Yeah, here's the speaker for the guitar. And I'm also planning to take my telescope. I don't know if I'm going to take it or not, but yeah, most probably I will be taking it. As of now, I might, take it. I don't know it will be of use or not. I also wrote my name. So yeah, that was it basically for all the essentials. I also have a blanket as well because it's winter season now. And also all this stuff I will be taking in one bag, actually two bags and one suitcase. I also have a my laptop, and yeah, I also have some stationery stuff here. Sorry. So these are some pens and pencil and sharpener, eraser, all that, scale, and yeah, all that. writing stuff, and also this. Okay, so basically I have around 12 registers and one bundle of A4 size sheet. So this should be enough for 2 months only, because we have college till April 20th, and then second or third year students will be called off on campus, and we sent back again home for online classes. Okay, so I have some more things. I have a trimmer which I use frequently, and if I have a trimmer I also have an aftershave lotion, and I also have a sleep mask which I think maybe I need it or maybe not, I don't know. And some more stuff, hair oil, lotion and all that. I also have a power bank, a scientific calculator which is very much necessary if you're coming to college, because calculators are allowed in examination and yeah, you have to use it. Spare glasses and a lamp as well if I need it during any power failure. And I also have a bathing stool or nahane ka patra, as told by seniors, it's very much necessary. And yeah, I think that's it. I also have a Bluetooth speaker, and yeah, that's all for the college stuff. So that was it for today from my side. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do hit the like and subscribe button. And if you are from THAPAR or any other college and going to offline college, do share your thoughts in the comment section, and I would like to hear them. Thank you very much.